So, you ready?
Yes.
Do this?
Yeah.
All right. So, you've been thinking about painting with acrylics for a long time, but you don't know where to start, what materials to get? Well, this video, we're going to take you in a short guide to what to get, where to buy it, so you can hit the canvas right away.
Step 1. Canvas. Picking a canvas can be a daunting task. So many options to choose from. It can drive anyone crazy.
There are lots of different canvases to choose from. But for now, just pick yourself a simple 2-pack. The quality is fine, and they come in several size options.
Step 2. Paintbrushes.
There are 4 basic types of brushes that I use when I paint. The round, the flat, the filbert, and the angular. This variety will take care pretty much of everything you need in order to begin. The round brush, probably the most recognized type of paintbrush. The round brush will help you with all the small details. It is also great for any line paintings or even writing. It will take care of all the small details in your masterpiece. The flat brush. The flat brush has long bristles and a square top. I use it mainly to fill in large areas of the same color. It makes broad, squarish strokes, and it's quite precise. It is a very, very easy paintbrush to use, and it will take care of most of your needs. The filbert. The filbert is similar to the flat brush, but with a rounded tip. This brush can also be used to cover larger areas, yet unlike the flat brush, it can help you create nice angles and edges. The angle brush. This brush comes in very handy when you need to take care of some edging and what I call sharp turns. This is a very precise brush I cannot live without.
Step 3. Acrylic paints.
Now make your way to the acrylic paint aisle. Even more overwhelming than picking brushes might be the variety available. I will tell you that you can confidently pick a variety starter pack and you will be totally fine. There is this one at Michael's for 20 bucks. The colors you need to start out are black, white, blue, red, yellow, green, and brown. Okay, so now you should have everything you need to start painting. The rest you can find at home.
An empty cup with water, and a towel, and a table.
Finally, I'm going to give you a couple of quick tips. 1, easels. A lot of people ask me, should I use an easel to paint? That's a matter of personal preference. Me, I don't use easels. That's because that's how I paint. I paint flat on the surface. My suggestion, keep things simple. You always have time to buy an easel later if that's what you want. But start flat on the surface and just get going. Number 2, staining your hands. Don't worry, it comes out with water and soap. Same with the flat surfaces. But you do need to be aware if the paint falls on fabric, anything like shirt, your pants, or even a piece of furniture, don't let it dry up. Because if it does, it's going to be very hard to remove. So if that happens, just make that area wet really quick. Just dab it with a cloth or paper towels, and it should come right off. Anyway, enjoy, and let's get to painting.
Daddy!
What?
What about our subscribe button?
That's right, tell them.
If you like our videos, please punch that subscribe button.
And mark the little bell. That way you get notifications on when our next video is about to come out.
We love feedback, so please leave your questions and comments down below.
It will help us make our videos better and give you the information and all the cool stuff that you ask us for. Enjoy, and see you later. So, You've been wanting to paint with acrylic. Go. Okay. That's it. Okay, you gotta smile.
I say bunch. When you say
Go.
hi.
No hi. No hi. Hello. Again.
So, if you like our videos, please press subscribe. I just can't help it.
Okay.
I just can't. And if we're off the frame in the video, and we're supposed to be in the frame in the video.
Okay. We also check lighting.
Yeah, lighting,
Warm vid. The warm vid. You know all the terms, don't you?
the pictures.
Oh, the filters, right? Okay, she knows more than I do, for sure.
Okay. Daddy!
What?
Oh, no.
I wasn't ready, Maia. I wasn't ready. You scared me. All right, stop it.